It actually formed and fabricated easier than if we did an aluminum job.
As far as maintenance goes, copper ducting has biostatic properties that sort of inhibit the growth of bacteria. So that is
Mhm.
a plus. What are some of the challenges you face just in general with copper ductwork, particularly from manufacturing and installation perspective?
Well, the big thing for us is, again, fabricating it from here, from whether, we literally spun it in our spiral machine here at the shop,
Right.
which wasn't an issue at all, and made the fittings as if we were making spiral fittings out of galvanized or aluminum or stainless or whatever on a daily basis. It was a very simple project for us. We probably made the duct and fittings in a day. The toughest thing for us, like every supply chain issue going on in the country right now, was getting the material here in house. It took over 3 weeks to get the material. So as far as for us, for any issues for fabrication, it was nothing. I talked to guys in the field that installed the job. They said it went up just as if it was a regular steel job. So there really wasn't any challenges other than kind of handling it, on our end, because it will patina. It will start to age. The process may take a while because it's all indoors, versus if it was sitting outdoors on a roof or being exposed to the weather, between the constant sun and the rain and the sleet and the snow. But I believe, and I'm not 100% certain, that they're going to coat this after construction and try to preserve that sheen and look to it after all the construction's done.